Bathroom mold is not just a cleaning issue, it's a moisture control problem. Mold grows where water, humidity, and poor ventilation combine. If you only clean it without fixing moisture, it comes back fast. So the real solution is remove plus prevent, not just scrub. 1. Identify mold areas. First, common places. Shower corners, tile grout lines, ceiling edges, sink, and toilet joints. Silicone sealant areas, mold often appears as black, green, or brown spots. Find all affected areas before starting cleaning. 2. Use proper cleaning solution for light to medium mold. Mix water with vinegar or mild bathroom cleaner. Apply directly on affected areas. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes. For stronger mold, use a bleach-based cleaner carefully. Wear gloves and ensure ventilation. Scrub using a brush, especially on grout lines. 3. Scrub and remove mold. Thoroughly use stiff brush for tiles, old toothbrush for corners. Scrub until stains fade. Rinse with clean water afterward. If mold is deep in grout, repeat the process. 4. Dry the bathroom. Completely moisture is the main cause. After cleaning, wipe all surfaces, open windows, run exhaust fan if available. A dry surface prevents regrowth. 5. Improve ventilation. Poor airflow is a major reason mold returns. Fixes: keep bathroom door open after use. Install or use exhaust fan. Allow sunlight if possible. Air circulation reduces humidity buildup. 6. Prevent future mold growth. Simple habits. Wipe wet surfaces after shower. Avoid leaving water on tiles. Clean weekly instead of waiting. Prevention is more powerful than cleaning. 7. Replace silicone if needed. If mold is deeply embedded in silicone sealant, cleaning may not fully remove it. Replacement is better. Old sealant often traps moisture permanently. Strategic insight: bathroom mold is not a dirt problem. It is a humidity control failure. It appears when ventilation is weak, surfaces stay wet, cleaning is irregular. Without fixing moisture, mold will always return. Final conclusion: to permanently control bathroom mold, clean affected areas properly, dry everything completely, improve ventilation, maintain regular cleaning.